HITI stock analysis and HITI stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything. So as I'm just looking and observing high tide stock, seems like I had 5 drawings, you know, so let's see where all these things are. Now, I myself, for context, have done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years. So, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, because I've been in the market for 5 years straight. So ultimately speaking, like, let's just zoom out, and this just, okay, now this is where we are. Oh, beforehand I called it out to the dot. This isn't decent. This is not decent. This is phenomenal. Let me show you the proof of the before, I guess. Oh damn, this was made 9 months back. This is September, right? 8th of September. It was such a decent delivery, such a decent color, you know what I mean? So very, very good. Let me just copy the exact timestamp, keep it here. And since it pulled back from this demand, I genuinely think that it could start taking things further up, right? But this is just a but. Saw this first break. Here's the top. And if this does not pull down, there's no way, just no way I'm looking to take it further up. Very simple. So I'll continue to keep you updated. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free muscle. See you in the next one.